Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use hour counter instruction in Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our Logo Soft Comfort Software 8.3 version. And here, if you see left side, scroll down and in the counter section, you can see this is the hours counter. Drag and drop this command into the window and zoom you can make as per your choice. So this block have three inputs and one output. So I will choose three inputs and one output. It's very simple and easy method. Connect these inputs to the block and give the comment. Any comment you can give. I will give the commit name hours counter. Hours counter and click OK. And that's one input we can give the reset because of this already name is given at the input R. R means reset. And the second one is enabling point, and that's comment we will give the status of status of motor, for example. Because of this block is what to, wait, I will explain you. 1 second, we have to click this one and put it here, and this one we will put it here. It's okay, no problem. And if you like to be adjust this one level, so sometimes it's this is the status of motor, and this one I3, that's the what meaning, it's the all reset, all reset, and click OK. Here you can fix, and that's we can give the name output motor or motor. This is very helpful command in the industries. This block is used to calculate the machine run time or motor running time or any, for example, pump running time. You can use this block to calculate the machine total running time. We will make the simulation on, and here as per seen there is three parameters. You can see this is the first one is MI. MI means maintenance. The second one is MN. MN is meaning time to go, and OT means that's the total time. If you like to see in the help, also you can right click it on the command, and after you can enter the help section, and here you can see as a in the horse counter, in short description he says a configured time is triggered when a signal at the monitoring input, the output is set when this time has expired, right? Also have a downside details. It's a little long detail, you can read this one, but I will explain in very simple words what this block do. When you runs your motor, for example, you have a motor or pump or any machine, for example, which is running, and you like to calculate the time of your machine. Why calculate the time? Because of each and every machine needs the maintenance, and you like to set a counter of a motor or machine. This is how much times this machine is running, and after you like to set a alarm or signal to maintenance duration alarm. So first of all, I will discuss about this status of motor, how this is counter works, Jani. For example, this is our monitor simulation is running, and I gives the signal at I2. Think about this, I2 is our signal input of our motor. When your motor is on, after with the contactor or with the relay, you understand if you in working with the industries, every each contactor or relay have a open and close points. So when you using the status of the motor, when you push on your motor and this I2 signal, you have to be make it high. And when this signal will be running, after this block will be calculated your time automatically and stores into the OT, means total time. So with an example simulation, how we can test this? So I will put the random time here in the PLC clock. An example, right now this is the time 7:33:28, and we make the start on our button. Already you can see there is a 1 minute is now displayed, because of this is we talking 1 minute, and this 1 minutes are now stored. So I will change this time, for example this is 33, I will change this time, for example 45 minutes 7:45, and click on apply, and after you can see this time is now changed, means our motor is running from yani 7:30 or what time first this one, and now it is 30 minutes ago our motor started. So basically this um, block is calculator calculate our times. And for example this, you stopped the motor, for example this you can stop now motor, but this is your time is still stored, that will be not remove. As again you will be start the motor, your time will be start from there, means you yesterday stop the motor, and after tomorrow you again start at the same time or another. For example I put this one more time, now this is 13 minutes first this motor running, and now we put the 8 1 hour and click apply, and you can see your time is same like increasing 1 hour and 12 minutes your motor is running time, right? And this one is function is reset function is when running, when you put the reset, after this will be make the reset. And now why this is your output is on, because of there is a nothing have any value in our this is maintenance and time to go. How this two signals working, I explain you. For an example, stop this one, and for an example I go to the block properties, and you will set here time 5 hours or 6 hours, for example 6 hours, you make the set time and click on apply and OK, means you put each and every 6 hours after you need a signal or a alarm or a notification, means your time motor status time is now 6 hours completed, and we need to be the maintenance. So it how it works, this 6 hours which you set it in the mi, after this time and this total time will be automatically converts this value and shows you the how much time is remaining, yani you can see 1 hour and 13 minutes is now passed, and your remaining time is 4 hour 47 minutes remaining, but it will be not affect on your motor running or machine running. It will be working separately, and this total time will be working separately, but it will be connect with this time. As this time will be completed, after it will be give the notification your motor needs to be maintenance. This time can be set. This is now for the simulation purpose. I am put the time 6 hours or 2 hours. You can put more time, 2 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, or any up to this is 9999. This is time you can set value. For an example, we will check this one, verify this one. This is uh, which time we set in the maintenance. This is working or not. No, when this time will be completed, after this is our output will be on. So see, I will give the time. For example, I will put it here now 9 and click apply, and you can see there is the 2 hours and 13 minutes are motor running, and this is 3 hour 14 minutes remaining from the 6 hours, because of you set the value for 6 hours to the notification. So we will more increase the time. For example, I will put it here directly 12 and click apply, and after you can see there is now only 47 minutes remaining. So we will put it here again, this one 58, click apply. You can see now 37. So we can put it here time for more means 60 if I put. So you can see now this is the 35 minutes. So I will put it here in the next, this time 34. 34 I put and click apply, and you can see here is the remaining time is 1 minute. As well, this is here now 13, 34 and 14. As this time will be completed, notification will be ready, and this is the offset time is 34. You can see this is the 06, and this is 13, 34, 28, which time is now completed, and 6 hours are completed, and our notification is ready. Till then this notification will be ready if you not give the signal at the reset. Otherwise it will be giving the alarm or signal or notification, whatever you defines in your HMI. This will be continue on. As you not, till then you not give the reset button. Okay, see, as I give this reset button, after you can see output is now off. And this one all reset. For example, you like to clear this all parameters which is your settings inside the PLC, that's you can give the I3 signal. After this will be complete set, complete remove. I remove this one signal and I give the I3 signal, and after you will be see and again running, and after this will be all removed. You can see this is the 0 hour removed. And as when you again start this one I2, means your motor when started this I2, this other system will be not affected. That will be look like shown how much hours any you set point. You have to be make this set point. You can change it from the block properties, and here you for example 7 hours or 10 hours if you need to set point, you can make the set points. And this is now all also motor is running, and this one we will again check this one once I will give the signal, and now you can, this is 13. For example, we can put 1, I think so. After this time will be 13, 14, 14 coming. 14 I will be start and click apply, and after you can see there is a 10 hours you are remaining. 1 hour is passed. right? This is very helpful command you can use in the industry for the maintenance alarm or notification, because each and every machine needs the maintenance, because of without maintenance any machine cannot run. So you can be set the time, how much times after your motor or pump or machine needs to maintenance, you can set this counter. So hope guys you will be understand about this hours counter block. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.